Hello student, my name is Padve Deepamala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur, District, Ahmednagar. Last lecture we also discuss in the chapter name is Elements of Group 16, 17 and Elements. In this chapter we also discuss the introductions of that group 16, 17 and 18. Today we are going to start new things of that chapter is electronic configurations of group 16, 17 and 18. Electronic configuration of groups 16, 17 and 18. We will discuss in one by one electronic configurations of group 16, 17 and 18. Now first the electronic configuration is group 16. Here is a group 16. Group 16 is also named as a oxygen family. And in which here is a elements name and here is a electronic configuration. Elements and electronic configuration. Now we know that the group 16 in which the 6 elements are present in that groups. The first element is oxygen. Its atomic number of oxygen we know that it's 8. Then next element is a sulfur. Here atomic number of the sulfur is 16. Next element is a selenium. Atomic number of the selenium is 34. Then next element is a tellurium. Its atomic number is 52. And last element is a polonium and its atomic number is 84. Its symbol is PO and atomic number is 84. Now one by one we will discuss in the electronic configurations of all of these elements. The group 16 is also called as a oxygen family and it's a forming of a ore forming elements and it's called as a chalcogen. Group 16 is also called as a chalcogen and oxygen family and they are ore forming elements. Now in these elements the first element is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Firstly the electronic configurations of oxygen. Here is oxygen is represented by the helium He and its electronic configuration is 2s2 2p4. Here is electronic configuration is 2s2 2p4 oxygen. Now next element is a sulfur. Its electronic configuration of sulfur, it's increasing energies of the orbital and that's why it's represented by the 2s2 3s2 or 3s orbital. Now the sulfur, it can be represented by the neon. Here is neon and its electronic configuration is 3s2 3p4. Here is electronic configuration is 3s2 3p4. Now next element is a selenium. We know that selenium, its atomic number is 34 and it's represented by the, selenium is represented by the argon. Why it's argon? Because its atomic number is 18. Here is argon are represented by the selenium elements and its electronic configuration is 34 and its electronic configuration is 3d10. Here is 3d10 because of the d orbital elements of the selenium. It's a 3d10, 4s2 and 4p4. Selenium atomic number 34, electronic configuration is 3d10, 4s2 and 4p4. Now next element is a tellurium and its atomic number of tellurium is 52 and its electronic configuration of tellurium is, it's represented by the krypton. And atomic number is 52 and electronic configuration is 4d10, 5s2 and 5p4. 4d10, it's a d orbital, 4d10, 5s2 and 5p4. Now last element in that group is polonium and its atomic number of the polonium is 84 and polonium, it's represented by the xenon and its electronic configuration is 4f14. Here is 4f14, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p4. Here is 6s2 and 6p4. This is the electronic configurations of group 16. Similarly, we also discuss about the electronic configurations of group 17 and its name is a halogen family. We know that the halogen family in which the 6 elements are present, its name is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. One by one we will discuss the electronic configuration. Now those of halogen family, they are highly reactive elements. Why it's reactive elements? Because of its a high electronegativity and they are not found in a free state and they are found in a compound formation. Means the halogens families, all of these elements are found in a compound formation. Now here is, we will discuss in the electronic configurations of group 17. It's a group 17 and its name is halogen family. Group 17 is also called as a halogen family. Here is the element's name and here is the electronic configuration. And it's the electronic configurations of the group 17 elements. Now in which the number of 6 elements are present in that group 17. The first element is a fluorine. Here is a fluorine and the atomic number of the fluorine is 9. Then its electronic configurations of fluorine is helium. Here is helium and it's a 2s2 2p5. Here is electronic configuration is 2s2 2p5. Now next element is a chlorine. Here is a chlorine and its atomic number of the chlorine is 17 and its electronic configurations of chlorine is, here is a neon. It's represented by the chlorine atom and its electronic configuration is 3s2 3p5. Its electronic configuration is 3s2 3p5u. The next element is bromine, Br. Its atomic number of the bromine is 35u. Here is 35u, and it's represented by the bromine is argon. Here is argon, and then its electronic configuration is 3d10. Here is 3d10, 4s2 and 4p5u. In this p orbital, the 5 electrons are present in that p orbital, and all of these elements are a p blocks of element. We also know that. Now next element is here is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and next one is iodine. Here is iodine, and iodine, its atomic number is 53, and its electronic configuration is, the kryptons are represented by the iodine, and its electronic configuration is 4d10. Here is 4d10, 5s2 and 5p5u. 4d10, 5s2 and 5p5u. Now in this series, group 17, the last element is astatine. Last element is astatine. It's 18, and its electronic configuration and its atomic number is 85. Here its electronic configuration, it's is represented by the xenon, and its electronic configuration is 4f14, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p5. Here is 4f14. Now 5d10, then 6s2 and 6p5. This is the electronic configurations of group 16, group 16 and group 17. It's an oxygen family and it's a halogen family. Here is a ore forming elements, and these are the halogen family, in which the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Then last group is group 18. Here is a group 18, and it's also called as a group 18 is also called as a inert gas or noble gas. Its also name is a noble gas or inert gas. Now here is a element's name and its electronic configuration. Now one by one we will discuss about the all of these elements in the group 18. Its name is a noble gas or inert gas element. The first elements we also know that the noble gas is a helium, and its atomic number is helium. It's a 2. Here is atomic number of the helium is 2, and its electronic configuration, it's very simple. It's a 1s2, because of here is the 2 electrons are present in that helium atom. That's why its electronic configuration is 1s2. Now next element is neon. Here is neon, and we know that neon, its atomic number is 10, and its electronic configuration is, neon is represented by the helium atom. Here is a helium, and its electronic configuration is 2s2 and 2p6. 2s2, 2p6. All of these 7th elements are present in that group 18. All of these elements are a full filled elements or completely filled orbital. Here is a group, here is a 2p6, means maximum capacity of p orbital is a accommodates of the electrons is a 6. Maximum is a 6 electrons are accommodated in the p orbital, and all of these elements are a 2p6 electronic configuration. Now next element is helium, neon, argon. Here is a argon and its atomic number of argon is 18, and its electronic configuration, the argon, it's represented by the neon, and its electronic configuration is 3s2 and 3p6. 3s2, 3p6. The next element is a krypton, and atomic number of the krypton is 36. Here is a Kr and the atomic number is 36, and it's represented by the argon. Here is a argon and its electronic configuration is 3d10. Here is 3d10, 4s2 and 4p6. 3d10, 4s2 and 4p6. Now the next element is a xenon, Xe. Its atomic number of the xenon is 54. Here the 54th of atomic number is xenon, and it's represented by the krypton. Here is a Kr and its electronic configuration is 4d10, 5s2 and 5p6. 5p6. 4d10, 5s2 and 5p6. In this group, the last element is radon. The last element is radon. Its symbol is capital R and small n, and its atomic number is 86. Here is atomic number is 86, and it's represented by the xenon. It's a xenon, and its electronic configuration is 4f14. Here is a 4f14, and its electronic configuration is 4f14. 5d10. Here is 6s2 and 6p6. 6s2 and 6p6. Radon, its xenon is represented by 4f14, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p6. All of these electronic configurations of 3 groups are group 16, group 17 and group 18, in which the noble gas, we know that the noble gas are found in a nature only except the case of xenon and radon are the rarest elements, and of the xenon and radons are the rarest elements, and it's a decay product. Now today we also studied the electronic configurations of group 16, 17 and 18. Then next lecture we also study the properties. It's a physical properties, chemical properties and atomic properties. We will discuss about the next lecture. Thank you.